Flowers, flowers everywhere, and we just love to get them. But do you know that the color has a meaning behind it? In today's video, I'm going to go over the details as to what it actually means, particularly for roses, and also why yellow roses might not be the best choice for him to give to her, except in two situations. I'll also be doing a product review for these soy candles that were given to me by the Shenzhen company. If you've never been here before, I'm Marlene. This is Marlene's How To's, my home and garden channel. Welcome, welcome to everyone. So the Shenzhen company reached out to me, and they are actually manufacturers of gift boxes, boxed chocolates, candles, bath bombs, as well as bath and body products. And I'll link their information below. But let's go ahead and take a look at the first rose color, which is red. And this one is actually the most famous. And aren't these actually beautiful right here? They actually represent beauty, passion, and desire. And I would imagine that's why they are so popular at Valentine's, Valentine's Day. You'll see them with balloons, teddy bears, and all other different types of gifts, that go to make someone feel special and just to, of course, express that romantic interest. Of course, they are great for birthdays too, as you can see here, paired with a balloon and some other gifts right there. They're also good too for Mother's Day, and I'm so thankful to my family, for making me feel special on those special days. And next to the red roses, we have white. And even though they seem almost like they'll be opposite in color, they also represent love as well. But it's more of an innocent love, like you see in this prom picture here of a nice little corsage right there. It's like a new beginning. It's just that innocence. This is actually a wedding bouquet right here, where this was used with some baby's breath. And next you go on to our pink roses. For the pink roses, they actually signify love as well too, as well as elegance. And the lighter the color, it's more of a gentleness that goes with it. Then next, in the middle there, you'll see some peach roses, and those actually represent fascination and passion. Not a very common color that you'll see, but certainly they do the trick. And now let's get on to the yellow roses. Yellow roses actually represent friendship. And so, like say if someone is in the hospital, it's a nice color to give them, for get well, to signify friendship, that bond that you have with someone in that way, then these are perfect for that. If you have a romantic interest, then this might not be the best option for you. But there are two instances when it actually is, and I'm going to touch on those towards the end of the video, so you can get a little bit more detail on that. So now guys, we're going to go ahead and do a product review of these soy candles. As you can see, it came in from Amazon, and we're going to go ahead now and take a look and see what it looks like. So it's pretty easy to open, and inside you'll see that it's well packaged, has well cushioned and everything. And these are I got the 4-pack, but they also have 12 packs as well. And guys, bear in mind that it's made of soy. It actually is cleaner for the air in your home. There's no paraffin in there, so you don't have to worry about some of those things that actually come off from there. So we just crack it open like that. You can rest it in here if you like, so it's safe that way. And guys, ooh, it smells so good. So I'm gonna go ahead and get one lit up for you. And you can actually use these like in your bathroom. You can use them in your kitchen or anything like that. So we're just gonna go ahead and get it lit right here. And there you have it, guys, and I just absolutely love it. So I use one in my kitchen right here, and I think they're also perfect like for a little powder room or for your bathroom based on the size. And again, they are made from soy, which is a natural product, so it burns clean. All of those products that come off like soot and all of that, There's very little of that that's associated with these candles, so they are perfect for a healthier environment in your home. I will say though that the fragrance is not as strong as some of the paraffin candles, so you have to decide which way you want to go. Are you preferring, cleaner ear with a more gentle smell, or do you want something that's stronger? So it just depends on what works for you. But I actually like them, and I'll put the product information in the description box below where you can get them on Amazon. And guys, if you've never subscribed to my channel before, I do hope that you will hit the subscribe button and tap the notification bell. I do lots of gardening videos, and I just love flowers. And if you love flowers too, then this is a place for you. But let's get back to the yellow roses, guys. So if it is the lady's favorite color, then I would say definitely yes. Yellow roses still work. It's still a great option. However, there's also the option too where you can get yellow roses that have red around the edges, and those will actually do the trick, and it actually signifies falling in love, all of that newness to the adventure, all of that comes with yellow with red around the edges. So that is definitely worth considering. But either way, whether they are a mixed bouquet, which sometimes might be the safest way to go, if it's for someone that's in the hospital, if it's for someone that's, getting well, congratulations, you just want to wish them well. Regardless of whatever it is, it's always such a nice gesture to either get or receive flowers. And, this has been around for such a long time, and it continues to do well to lift people's spirit and make them feel so much happier. And so I do want to thank you so much for watching today. If you love flowers and gardening, remember to tap the notification bell twice after you've hit the subscribe button so you can see all of my upcoming videos and you'll never miss an upload. Thanks again for watching, and I do hope to see you in the next video. Take care.